In this video, I'll show you how to connect an Ethernet cable to your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So if you have an Ethernet cable that you want to use our wired internet connection on your device, you can simply use an adapter like this one, which is USB-C to Ethernet cable adapter. So what you want to do is connect the USB-C end into your phone just like that. Then you want to get your Ethernet cable and connect it into the port just like that. And as you can see, it will start blinking. And now, if you go up here, you're going to notice that the Ethernet connection icon is active. So now, if you go and try and use the internet, it's going to use a wired connection, and it's actually very fast, just like that. That's basically how to connect an Ethernet cable to your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now I'll link this Ethernet adapter down below so you can check it out. Take care and God bless.